Hello and welcome to this video. On this video we're going to install a Pfister shower head. It's a 5-way action shower head. It's the model Vie, V-I-E, but it's pronounced V. And to do this job you'll need a few little tools from around your house. Some Teflon tape, this is plumber's tape, some soft jaw pliers, adjustable crescent wrench, a hook to take the old tape off the threads, and a rubber pad like you use to take jar lids off. We try to hold the shower arm, or the shower head arm, the piece that comes down, with the piece of rubber first to see if we can get the shower head loose. You want to try to not mar or damage the shower head arm, and then once we get it off we'll check it for thread damage, and we'll take all the old Teflon tape off. So we'll get started here in just a second. To remove the old shower head, we're going to try using just a rubber pad like you take a jar lid off with to hold the shower neck or the arm, and then use a crescent wrench to turn it left to loosen, so that would be counterclockwise. And ours is coming off pretty easily, so that's good. So you're going to take it all the way off, and then now we're ready to install the new one. But before we do that, we're going to have to remove all the Teflon tape using a plastic hook, or you could use a toothpick or some other small utensil that won't scratch or damage the metal. So in our case we're going to use a plastic hook. We'll get all the old Teflon tape off, and we'll show you how to apply new Teflon tape. Okay, now we've removed all the old tape and ready to put the new tape on. You want to roll it on clockwise, and you want to put about 2 wraps around, and that's all. You don't need a whole lot, just about 2 wraps, and then you just simply pull the tape off like we just did, and it's ready to go. Now we're ready to install the new head. Now we're ready to install the hose, and what we're going to do is flush the hose out first. It's according to the instructions. So the side with the rubber O-ring, you're going to go ahead and fasten to the assembly, and then we'll flush the hose out, and then we'll put the filter screen in and install the shower head itself. So we'll get to that here in just a minute. So now we're ready to go ahead and install the head. So the first thing we're going to do is put the filter into the hose end, and we've put Teflon tape onto the head itself, and it's ready to be screwed into the hose. So we're going to attach that and get it nice and snug, and then we should be able to test it out. So we'll be right back and show you that. Okay, we have the water on now, and we're testing out the head, make sure it doesn't leak or anything, and we're going to go through all 5 of the adjustments, which include items such as massage. And then we're going to take a shot of the area up at the top and show you that it doesn't leak as well, and then we'll conclude the video. Here's how the shower head looks as it's been installed onto its holder. And it's all adjustable so that you can adjust it however you want to make it so that it fits your personal needs. And we did leak check the top, and there's no leaks anywhere, so everything's fine. Maybe a 10-minute installation with simple tools, not too hard. So thank you for watching, and see you on the next video.